Lack of civic sense among the public who turned the highway into a dumping ground has prompted action from the Nongpoh Region Auto Owners and Drivers Association, Nongpoh District. To address this issue, the association visited the Rangba Shnongs of Nongpoh town on Monday to distribute dustbins for proper waste disposal. The bins were placed at strategic locations along the main road and near local shops with a clear message urging the public to use them responsibly. Following the initiative, the association representatives also met the Deputy Commissioner of Nongpoh District to inform him about the issue.
Agumot kajing sedang ujungi mana mesti aku perspo bija bangin sam itu kikin desben bata ka bangin ais ko hamas ko der barsnong ba kala nakali ko der barsnong ko ai kikin tikumon kala ada ai ko kajing tip ba hakalai pho trek ba une ubnai kasaton kajing pun snong tiang se wer lang ini ro bakin ni lang dapat baro nomor ba dia pun khuit ka snong mo ko nomor ba kajing khuit ngini kisngi mumta ko dong kamsha war kajing khuit phio jung bro ko kasong kajing khuit ada kajing jopo kala jele kajing jungi baka war kajing pang jing stom bro kam dalak kan rea andre ha ba gadon kajing khuit adon kajing terang tingin pun khuit kalai potret ro kadon ngin sawara yang kita gijing kam ma la dai kino gijing kam kan ngin hadon bengi wara bengi sebenang ni smart.
The deputy